Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometric degrees. Start by visualizing the unit circle, which is a circle with a radius of 1 centered at the origin. This circle is your best friend for understanding angles and their trigonometric values. Focus on the special angles 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. These are your building blocks. We'll explore how to master these essential values and apply them effectively. The unit circle is crucial because its radius is exactly 1. This means the x-coordinate of any point on the circle directly gives you the cosine of the angle, and the y-coordinate gives you the sine. For example, at 0 degrees, the point is 1, 0, so cosine is 1 and sine is 0. Remember, angles are measured counterclockwise from the positive x-axis, making visualization straightforward. Let's dive into the specific values for our special angles. For 30 degrees, the sine is 1/2, and the cosine is the square root of 3/2. Moving to 45 degrees, both sine and cosine are the square root of 2/2. Then, at 60 degrees, sine is the square root of 3/2, and cosine is 1/2. Notice the symmetry and how these values relate to each other. Once you understand the first quadrant, you can use symmetry and reference angles to find values in all 4 quadrants. For instance, the sine of 150 degrees is the same as the sine of 30 degrees. Practice regularly by drawing the unit circle and labeling points. Flashcards or quick online quizzes can also solidify your knowledge. Repetition is key to mastering these fundamental trigonometric degrees.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.